All right, you guys, so we are back, and like the title says, I'm gonna be comparing two of my favorite setting powders these days, just because I want to see how they square up. Like, put your dukes up, girl, see how you do it. So I'm gonna be comparing the OneSize and the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm comparing both their translucent and their dark shades because I like to mix them. That's just what I've been going for these days versus like a super yellow under eye like I normally do. So this is the Starrr OneSize, and this is the Laura Mercier. This is their dark shade and their translucent shade mixed together. So this is what they look like. Laura Mercier definitely looks a little bit lighter, but I use the same amount of dark to light ratio for both of them when I mix them together. So we're already seeing some differences already. I'm wondering if it's just gonna look brighter on this side. I'm gonna go in and pick up some of my Starrr OneSize. And I like to start it up here by my nose and then bring it out. Go on my lids as well. Flip my beauty blender over because I don't want to mix them. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And if you notice, like I apply it heaviest up here, closer to my nose, and then I kind of just let it like fade out. That's just because that like just kind of sets up that contouring for your nose without you having to do a lot. So we have our setting powder down. I'll just say off rip, I can kind of tell that the Laura Mercier side just looks a little bit paler. So yeah, she looks good so far. Neither side is like giving me any sort of cakiness, creasiness right now, and they're both like pretty matte. I applied my blush, bronzer, all that stuff, and it still looks pretty good. So right now there is no clear winner. I don't feel like we have a winner here. I feel like they both did what I need them to do. That's my setting powder. That's a comparison for you guys. All the products I use will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.